So what was going on there?
First, I came here to Bed Bath & Beyond for a birthday gift, and they didn't have what I wanted, so then I came here to Dillard's. They didn't have it either, so then I was headed over here to J.C. Penney, and then this happened. What do you think? Nah, just kidding. I'm at the dealership. So no, I was actually out looking for a frying pan, a very specific brand, kind of expensive, something that she wanted, and it was a last minute thought. And then I end up walking past Zales, which happens to be the very same store that we looked at over at her place. And I was just milling around and I was looking in. They did have the exact ring that we were looking at. So I'm talking to the lady and I missed it. There's a banner there, big sale on wedding sets. So, hey, I know I want to propose. I know this is the woman for me. So I bought them. So that explains the beach scene. I proposed, and yes, we are engaged. And I know it's going to piss a couple people off. I know one in particular. I don't give a shit. Because I'm happy. I am extremely happy. We are engaged. We will get married. I don't know when yet. Maybe this year. It might be next year. We're working on a few things. But, man, you know, you got to understand. Life is short. You can't wait and hesitate on things. If you do, you miss out on everything. My late wife and I, we got engaged at 2 months. And it worked out good. You know, and I lost her. I lost my mom. You know, life, every minute is precious. You can't sit by the sidelines and just wait for things to happen. Plan your retirement and do things then. You need to do it now. Grab it. That's what I did with my late wife. We went places. We did things. I mean, I knew time wasn't on our side. I mean, all of us don't know when our time is up. I could have went before her. Even me being healthy with no like serious health conditions other than bad back and stuff, but you know, anything can happen. So I mean, man, things are going great, and you know, we live a little bit apart, and I want to make my commitment to her that I love her to death and she's for me. So yeah, so anyways, the beach day. So what made me do this is it was her birthday. So I was like, wow, this is the perfect setup. I already had a dinner booked at a very nice restaurant. And I was thinking, hey, you know, we'll be all dressed up. Wouldn't it be nice if I had the plan when we're there, maybe we could just pull over to the beach and say, hey, let's get some pictures. And that's what we did. And my little GoPro here on a tripod, I sat it down in the sand and I said, hey, let's stand back here, and on video I could take a still shot. Well, oh man, yeah, Mr. Old MP, officer in our, got a little nervous, choked up a little bit. I sat this damn camera down in the sand and I was going to do the proposal and tape it. It was like cold. The sun was going down. It was really starting to get cold. And then she was like, come on, let's go. And I'm like, all right. And I picked up the camera. And I sat it back in my suit pocket. And I thought to myself, oh, shit. I messed up. And she's like, what? And I was like, I stood there for a minute holding her. And again, I was trying to get the words out. And then she's like, come on, we're enjoying the moment. And then it was like, well, let's go. And I was like, oh. And then I kind of even forgot about this little camera. I was trying to think of a way I could reset it up, because she's going to know I'm trying to videotape this. So anyway, like, we were getting cold, and then she's like, I'm going back to the car, and I just kind of had to, like, wait. And I said the words, will you be my wife? And she sat there in just absolute amazement. I have never since the time I've known her to be speechless, but she was absolutely speechless. And she said, of course. And you know what happened? Then some younger woman came running down from a car that was parked up in the parking lot. She was like, did you just propose? We're like, yeah. She's like, oh my God. She took our picture for us, so we have a decent picture. But, oh my God, guys, I forgot the video. I'm all about video and everything. And in the moment of everything, I forgot. I lost what I was doing. I sat the camera down. I had it set. And had it not been like so cold and she was just a little dressed that she wanted to get back to the car, I would have had it. And my mind was just scrambling. I turned around and boom, I forgot. Just picked it up, not even thinking. So yeah, we starting 2018 off right with an engagement. I'm packing up the house right now, moving over with her. She's actually starting a new job here shortly, which is further from where she's at. So we might be moving more towards that area. I got some transfer requests in more towards that area in addition to what I've already put in. And life's about to get real exciting. So now I got a wedding to plan and a move and another house to buy and one to sell. So car stuff probably not gonna be a whole lot of. I hope you guys understand that. Try to get in what I can, because I'm gonna be busy packing and doing some other stuff. So hang in there with me. I definitely appreciate it. Definitely appreciate still getting some subscribers joining in. This channel is slowly growing, man. It's wonderful. I really appreciate everybody joining me on this ride. And let's see where the future goes. Please subscribe to the channel. Like, shares, comments, always appreciated. And give a thumbs up if you're happy for me. I know I'm going to get at least one thumbs down from somebody. But, oh well. Anyway, thanks for watching.